I'm going to show you how to easily make beautiful webinar slides faster than you ever thought possible using AI, even if you're a beginner. My name is Arlena, podcast host for the last 10 years, and I'm a coach who's now obsessed with learning all the AI tools and automations, and I'm going to share what I learn along the way. Be sure to subscribe so that you can see all the tools that I'm learning, and I'll teach it to you in beginner language. I'm going to show you how you can go from this to this with tools like Google Slides, Claude, and Notebook LM. And a quick side note, I do have the paid versions of these tools because I'm creating a ton of content, but at the time of this video, it's less than $30. At one point, I considered outsourcing this project and they quoted me over $300. So essentially I saved $270 doing it this way. First, I created Google Slides with just text, super ugly, no consistent formatting or even sizing. Next, I told Claude what I wanted it to do. Uploaded a screenshot of my website so it could pull the colors from it. And then I told it to take my Google Slides, fix the text, the sizing, and asked it to ask me any questions that it had. It took a few minutes, and because it was a large presentation with 80 slides, I know that's a lot, I had to hit continue several times, but it worked. I ended up with a presentation that looks fine, and I could have stopped there, but I wanted something really special. So I exported the presentation as a PDF file and uploaded it to Notebook LM. And this is where it got super fun, but also a little frustrating. The fun part was when I created a notebook, added the presentation with reference images from my website. I then asked it to create a beautiful slide deck, and this is what I got. But the frustrating part was that I couldn't generate all 80 slides at once. As of today, March of 2026, Notebook LM will only generate about 15 slides at a time. So it took multiple requests to get the full deck, which was actually pretty annoying. But now that it's all done, I am super excited to use this deck to present my coaching program on a Zoom webinar. If you'd like the step-by-step guide of this process, completely free, I'll include a link in the description along with all the tools that I mentioned. This is my first try at this, and I'm sure there is an easier way to do this, but this is just how I did it. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or even suggestions on how I could have done it better. Also, if you're going to give it a try, I'd love to see what you create. Until next time, keep creating and have fun.